We're going to take a look at problem 5.19 and chapter 5.114 real quick. The first question on chapter 5.19, or problem 5 from the homework here, is the following a probability model? And so I guess important is to know what a probability model is. And all that is a table of values that shows the probability of some outcome occurring. And so you can see we have this situation where we have an outcome of red. It could be rolling a colored die or picking out colors out of a bag or something like that. But there's a 20% chance of that happening. But overall, would this table of values be considered a probability model? The answer is no, because of the rules that go along with probability models. If you add these up, the total sum must equal 100%. Additionally, is that the probability of the events have to be a probability. So 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, 0.3, 0.3 are all probabilities. But negative 0.4, there's no such thing as a negative 0.4 probability. So this is not a probability model, because here one of them is at least less than 0. At least one of them is less than 0, which doesn't exist. And so that's why this is not a probability model. Connected to probability and probability models is this idea of what does it actually probability mean? And so 5.114 is asking you this question about what does 0.26 mean? And so the way you interpret probabilities, you can also say that's a 26% chance. And so what we're thinking about is, in this case here, is that 0.26 means that if we did something 100 times, right, approximately 26 out of 100, 26 out of 100 times that event would occur. And again, this is with respect to what would happen in the long term, not the short term. So we wouldn't expect actually 26 out of 100 times for it to happen, but approximately. And in the long run, 26 out of 100 times, we would see that thing to occur, that event.